Hi guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm gonna tell you the output statement in C++. As you have already know that I have started a series in C++. I will also be focusing on Python as well, but for now I have been uploading a new content, a fresh content regarding the C++. I have first uploaded the introductory video on C++, and now this is the first video of the C++ series in which I am going to tell you how to use the output statement in the C++. We are starting from the scratch level so that it would be very easy for the beginners especially to understand what basically is the C++ language and all about. So without wasting any time, I am gonna move towards my practical platform, that is here Visual Studio. Friend, this is one of the heavy software for I think so, because it usually runs very slow and it is not very much speedy. So you can also have dev C++ so that it would be easy for you to execute and run the C++ program. But for now I have Visual Studio and I am going to use this for the practical demonstration for you people. Now starting my first, in my introductory video, if you haven't watched it, please watch that. I have told you in a C++ program, first of all you have to include all the directives, library or any other thing before introducing your main part or main function in which you used to have the main coding of your program. Now first I have to tell you that in any of the software or any of editor you use for the development of C++ program or writing simple program or any sort of that, you have to use the extension of file name .cpp. Here I have used source.cpp in front of you. You can see here. Just you have to remember, you have to save file in .cpp format. Now starting, first of all I have to use hash, which I have already told you. Then include, that is a keyword, and now in the bracket I will use conio dot h. What s means I have already told you, it is the header file. It is not for now that you have to understand what is that conio.h. Just you have to include what I have been including before the main program. Now again I am using the include, and now again I am using iostream. This is used to have running the input and output commands. So to run that you have to use the preprocessor directive iostream. Now this is all. You have to write down these two statements every time you used to have the program of C++. Now I am starting the main program. As I have told you, you have to start with int, then your main function, this is, and now every code is under the parenthesis. There is no such restriction of indentation like it was there in Python. Just you have to open the parenthesis. Now one thing I have to show is I am using this std and double colon. What is this? Std and double colon is actually the root namespace std. That is, if you haven't used the using namespace std, that is, you can say a library, then you have to use every time you use the input and output statement, so then it will neither be executed. So for now I will tell you further when we go to some harder level of C++ what these are, but for now you have to write std and 2 times the colons before writing the outer statement that I am going to write now. In Python we used to have print, but in C++ we have to use count, COUT. Then this is our pointer or arrow, you can say, and then what you want to print. For example, I am writing here welcome to C++. Since it is in a string, so I have to use the double quotation and then the white space character, that is n. Hope it is alright. Now whenever it is ended, then you have to use the semicolon so that it will know that your line has been ended. Now one thing more that I have to tell you, that you have to use _get ch. What it will do is it will hold your screen for a moment, okay, then again semicolon, and then I am using return since our main function is return type and I have to return, but since I have to return nothing, so I have to return only 0. This is all. Now the semicolon. This is all. So first you have the file.cpp extension, then you have to use the preprocessor directives, just you have to remember. Then in the main you have used the int main, that is a return type, and you have to return 0. But before ending your program successfully, that return 0 indicates, I have told you all this, you can use underscore get ch, which will hold your command line screen for a while. And the only code that I have used in this basic first program is the print statement of C++. So I have used COUT. Now what this pointer is, this will give this welcome to C++ statement towards the count, and this std will show it on the screen. Hope it is clear. And this \n is just a white space character which will give the pointer to the next line or hold to the next line. Just you have to remember is this welcome to C++ is given to COUT by this double left arrows, and std is used to have our print statement on the screen. This is all. Now I am going to run that since it is a heavy system of Visual Studio, so it will take some time. Now I'm going to run that. You will see what happens. It will take some time, I have already told you. Now it is gonna run. Here you can see the process has been started, and you will see the output soon. Since I have started much more things in my PC as well, so it is taking some time, but no worries, it will run. Now yes, give me the output. So I am also telling you that you can also use def C++ because it takes time, I have already told you. Now it has executed my file, and please show me on the output. Now it is being ready. It is still loading. And here you go. And welcome to C++ is there. Sorry friends that it is taking time, but what I can do, it is not in my hands. Welcome to C++. You can have any of print statement as you like. So congratulations, you have done a simple and basic output statement executed in the C++, and you have successfully started your coding in the C++. In upcoming videos I am gonna tell you how you can do more with C++, and we will have all the basic and advanced project and advanced concept of the C++ language as well. But for now, this is all from today's video. This is the end of today's video. Hope you have liked the video. If you haven't liked it yet, so please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Give me suggestion through comments. I will come back again with some more content. This is all from now. Subscribe my channel Tech Park. Thank you.